I literally threw
I'm gonna do.
I threw off my headphones. I knew what was coming.
I'm gonna do 10.
You can't see it, but I'm mewing right now.
Yeah, bro.
To stove. I'm gonna do one last pass.
Airboss, permission to cross active runway 09.
Alright, I gotta mute the stream. Hold on. What were you saying?
Permission to cross active runway 09.
Yeah, you can cross niner.
Permission to cross it with Bert. No, I'm joking.
No, no, no.
You can't do that.
Holy, that was low.
Oh, I like that one.
That was hard. Thank God I'm recording.
Thank you,
I'm
thank
recording, right? I hopefully am. If I'm not, I'm gonna kill myself.
Pulse bomb? What is this?
Alright.
I recorded that. I recorded that.
Hey boss, I'm gonna knock it off.
God,
What runway should I?
Oh my god.
Alright.
I hate you.
Include runway 33.
Number 33.
Did I actually get you with that one?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes,
flog.
the knocking. I was actually like, what the?
Alright,
hell?
alright.
Why isn't my
Right click that
mic
sound, download it, send it to.
Stand by. I think is this the good one? Yeah, it is.
I hate you, bro.
Wait, what about this one?
That
Yeah,
one.
there
that
it
one.
is.
Dude.
Okay.
Dude, stop. Please. You're actually giving me anxiety.
It's going
You're,
crazy.
I'll stop. I'll stop. I'll stop. Here you go.
I mean, during my demo, I would kill you.
Thank you.
No, you know what would be really good is to get on stream and do that. Don't say anything, just get on the stream, because there's no notification when somebody joins the voice chat, right?
Oh, that'd be hilarious. Anyway.
Devin, can I do that?
No.
Can I? Oh, dude, it'd be so funny, please.
That would be so mean, bro. Is he down?
I'm down, yeah.
Alright.
I said that a while ago.
Now who's next then?
Airboss me, right? It should be me.
Okay.
Let me check, actually.
It is you. Nedorfu, text me 35 golf.
Just call me NATO, by the way. Alright, text me runway 335 golf.
I am totally not gonna add this to my server.
I'm vacating right to the viewing area.
Alright. Whatever you do after you get on the ground, I do not care about. So.
Alright, that's fair enough.
I will be recording my POV for this, so it will be in that way.
Okay, I'm gonna mute my mic.
I don't even care. Your POV has been recorded. I've been recording for like past 6 minutes.
I will join.
Oh crap.
Did it work? Did you upload correctly? Let's see.
Dude, stop.
Okay, I got it. My bad. My
I
bad.
hate you, bro. Please, not before I'm about to get flying. I don't want to like.
Alright. Eek! Okay, I don't know if we were made to clever take box. And I have to go to the bathroom. Be back.
Ah, crap.
Did I trigger that? I think I made him have to go poop.
With that one.
Censor the anime girl.
Alright.
What? Did they just censored anime girl?
They just censored an anime girl on the stream.
Oh
Okay,
my
wait,
god.
takeoff.
Look at text pilots.
Hold on. There's no way.
Yo, Airboss, am I clear?
Yeah, you're good to go.
Alright, Roger.
Oh, they're censoring it with fucking black. Right now, I'm actually going to the bathroom.
1000, 500, 400, 300, 200, 100.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Are we on time?
Yeah, we should be. I mean, we're doing my display right now, so we should be on time.
300,
Oh, nice.
200.
Depending on time.
300.
Do I have my gear down? What the hell? We got an unknown aircraft in our airspace, stealth likely. They just mocked past. Do you want me to do something about it? Hello. Hello.
1,000. 500, 400, 300, 200. 100. 1,500.
Is Devin back?
Nope, he's still in there.
Alright, just so you know, there's an unidentified aircraft going mock past Linwood. So,
Intercept.
Atlas will be taking over air loss because I have to go get food, like bad.
okay, bro, really?
Yeah, sorry.
If there's an unidentified aircraft, get like a fighter airborne to intercept that thing.
I am airborne, and I have winders.
Does anybody, hang on, break, did anybody catch the Blackbird's call sign? Is he still around here, or did he take the advice and go away?
I recorded it, so, I mean, he's on recording, so we could probably just cross-reference that.
As long as he doesn't come back, it's not a big deal. He got away with it. He did it quick enough that nobody was paying attention enough to see it on the ATC radar.
He's gonna have a screenshot of that now.
Yeah.
No, I mean, he was doing at least Mach 3. I didn't even see him.
He
Was he
like
going up?
He looked like an X-15, because what I saw was black and white.
Whatever it was, he got away with it.
Atlas, how long do you want me to be back? Cause
Devin, I genuinely don't care as long as you're back within about half an hour.
All right, I'll eat as fast as I can. Okay.
I don't care. See you.
All right, air boss or whoever it is right now. I'm gonna go for a touch and go right now.
Runway, show runway 33 clear.
Yep. He went past again.
Touch and go. Can confirm Blackbird in the airspace. He's hit.
Get that MiG-31 up at it. Surface to air missiles?
Alright, I'm gonna count
Yep,
that,
he got it.
I'm gonna count that as one of my kills. I will be doing a celebration later. No, oh crap. I forgot to load my gear.
400.
There we go. Come on.
300. 200.
Atlas. I've got. I
Go for
don't
it.
know.
100.
Hey, I've got that guy's tail number if you want it. It's 98SB.
He already got shot down.
Oh, I thought you were gonna just kick him.
They already got him. What was his name?
13 gray. Yeah, I jumped in the ATC tower. Oop, I don't want to do drops. What did I just...
My HOTAS almost came out from my table.
Do you
I forgot you're
weave?
doing that HOTAS.
Yeah. I'm flying completely HOTAS, which is annoying, but it works.
Do you wear weeks?
200.
Completely lost you again, Nano. I have no idea where you are in the field right now.
I am coming over Knife Edge.
Where?
It's like, I don't know, I'm over like the air.
Throw it. There you are. It is really hard to see you guys without your nav lights on. I've lost you like 6 times.
Rip. Are you recording this?
I hope it won't be hard to find me.
No. Come on, Throttle, work with me. Alright. This will go on my secondary YouTube channel that I totally use a lot. By secondary, I mean my only YouTube channel because I don't have another. Alright. I am heading into a break and going for a full stop landing Airbus runway 33.
Sure, anyways, all yours, Nano.
300 in the break. Oh, 001 in the break.
That is a odd knife edge. I'm gonna work on that after.
What do you
Just
think?
that only. I have to do 110 degrees.
110 degree knife edge? What the hell?
No, I mean not. It's not a knife edge. It's a topside pass. So I have to do 110 degrees. That is what it says in this 2016 FAA approved document for maneuvers.
110 degrees. Okay, that's.
Yep, I will screenshot it. I will cite my sources, dude.
Alright, time to go for a full stop. Sometimes I get using so fast.
300. 200.
I love how
Man,
they're
this-
I love how they're like fangirling about Kyle in chat right now, and then I'm just like, oh
100.
yeah.
They haven't stopped.
And I'm like, that's crazy.
50. 40. 30. 20.
I raced
Oh,
him in
that's
a
all the
boat and I
bitches.
won.
They haven't. They don't really stop fangirling Kyle, honestly.
The glazing is wild.
The dick riding is crazy.
Why am I holding paddle? I don't even have
Nice landing.
paddle. Probably one of my better HOTAS landings.
This is Aeronautica on Roblox.
Oh, my hook was still down.
That's been down that entire time.
I know. Alright, I'm gonna taxi off wherever I can taxi off.
Yeah, vacate as soon as possible. I've once again throw your nav lights on when you're on the ground, please.
Huh? Oh, nav lights are
Yeah, I need to be able to see generally where you are so I can give you the correct
Alright,
it's taxi route.
Vacate via Delta?
Yeah, do you want to go back to the FBO?
No.
Where are you going?
Warbird Alley or... crap, I
Yeah,
got
take
another
that last ride on. Take the last ride on Delta.
Yep.
Delta to the ramp.
I got another display after this.
You're going up with the Turkish government, aren't you? No.
I'm not. I'm doing the 50th anniversary demo, which I have.
Oh yeah, that's both. That's
For what?
none of us have. We have not flown that display once.
I know we haven't. We're cooked.
I honestly, I might need.